Ready to level up your kitchen without spending a fortune? These clever TEMU gadgets make cooking, cleaning, and organizing so much easier, and they're all surprisingly affordable. From time-saving tools to space-saving must-haves, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. All products are linked in the description below. Looking to turn your yard work into yard playtime? This cordless tool switches from grass shears to hedge trimmer in a heartbeat, and it comes with 2 blades, 2 batteries, plus a charger, so you're always powered up. You just snap on the right blade, and you're ready to tame the lawn or sculpt the hedges with no cords holding you back. Lightweight, ergonomic, and ready to go, it makes trimming feel effortless, even after it's been a long day. Meet your new Kitchen Magic Wand. Measuring just got smarter. This clever spoon scale duo weighs anything from tiny herbs to bigger batches with 0.1 gram precision up to 500 grams. Perfect for cooking or crafting. You press a button and it tells you exactly how much you've scooped, using an easy-to-read display that swaps between grams and ounces. Pop the spoons in the dishwasher when you're done. Cleaning's a breeze. Chopping veggies doesn't have to be a workout anymore. This mini handheld grinder tackles onions, garlic, chili, or even small cuts of meat with one press. It spins fast at 1200 RPM, making prep quick and painless. The USB rechargeable design means no messy cords, just charge and go. Easy to clean, durable, and compact, it's the kind of kitchen helper you'll actually reach for every day. Say goodbye to jar opening struggles. This clever opener has your back. You just place it on any jar or bottle, press one button, and it does the twisting for you. No more aching hands. It adjusts to fit lids of all sizes and locks on tight so the lid pops right off. It even auto-releases the lid when it's done, so you don't have to lift a finger. Small, battery-powered, and sturdy, it lives in your kitchen drawer, always ready when you are. The jet setter of pet carriers just landed. This portable pet trolley suitcase turns any trip into a cozy adventure for your furry friend. You've got a roomy space that fits up to a few kilos of pet, plus breathable mesh windows to keep airflow going and tails wagging. It glides effortlessly on wheels, but also straps over your shoulder when you need to go hands-free. Snacking on the go just got way more fun. This portable tote-style lunchbox opens up into a rotating tray, letting you pack different fruits, snacks, or meals in separate sections. It seals tightly to keep food fresh and safe from moisture, so everything tastes just right when you open it. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for school, picnics, or camping. Plus, it even comes with a handy silicone brush for quick cleaning. Small messes don't need big cleaning tools. This mini sponge mop is lightweight, portable, and perfect for quick cleanups anywhere. Kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, windows, or even your car. The self-squeezing handle keeps your hands dry, while the super absorbent sponge tackles spills in seconds. It comes with 2 reusable sponge heads, so you're always ready for the next job. A compact must-have that makes cleaning fast and hassle-free. Painting walls has never been this effortless. This self-priming roller brush pulls paint directly into the handle, so you spend less time dipping and more time rolling. The 7-in-1 design means you can tackle corners, edges, and big surfaces with one kit. Smooth, even coverage makes your walls look freshly done by a pro. It's the ultimate DIY helper for quick home makeovers. Clogged drains and messy cleanups are history with this smart sink strainer. Its push-type design makes it easy to pop in and out, while the tilt mechanism automatically collects food scraps. When it's full, just lift and empty. No touching the gunk. The removable base keeps everything hygienic and simple to clean. Durable and colorful, It's a small upgrade that makes kitchen chores so much easier. Cold feet are officially a thing of the past. These heated slippers wrap your toes in soft, plush comfort, while a built-in warming pad delivers cozy heat wherever you go. The rechargeable battery keeps them powered, making them perfect for lounging at home or even camping outdoors. Unlike regular slippers, you can walk around freely without losing warmth. It's like carrying a personal heater just for your feet. Making the bed doesn't have to feel like a workout. This clever mattress lifter slides under the corner and gives you a sturdy handle to raise it with ease. You can tuck in sheets neatly without straining your back or breaking a sweat. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Simple, durable, and perfect for keeping your bed hotel-level neat. Chopping veggies just got a smart upgrade. This bamboo cutting board comes with a hidden sliding tray that catches all your chopped fruits, veggies, or scraps in one smooth motion. No more clutter on the counter or reaching for extra bowls. The sturdy bamboo surface is gentle on your knives and built to last. Simple, neat, and perfect for keeping your kitchen routine fast and organized. Getting kids to brush their teeth just got a whole lot more fun. This wall-mounted toothpaste squeezer is shaped like a cute little fish, making it playful while also super practical. Just pop in the tube, and it neatly squeezes out every drop. No more waste. It works just as well for skincare creams too. Easy to mount, easy to use, and guaranteed to make daily routines a little more cheerful. Say goodbye to messy microwave cleanups. This versatile Splatter Guard keeps food covered so sauces and soups don't explode all over the inside. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift without burning your fingers. It doubles as a handy steamer, locking in heat and moisture for tastier meals. Lightweight, durable, and perfect for everyday cooking. It's the kitchen helper you'll reach for again and again. Hot summer nights don't stand a chance against this little powerhouse. It's a portable air cooler that brings refreshing airflow right where you need it, your desk, bedside, or living room. 3 fan speeds let you choose between a light breeze or stronger cooling, while the extra-large water tank keeps it running for hours without constant refills. A built-in timer means you can set it and relax. Breakfast just got an upgrade. This smart toaster comes with a touch screen that lets you pick exactly how you like your toast. Choose from different bread types and 6-shade settings for the perfect crunch every time. The wide slots fit bagels, thick slices, or regular bread with ease. With a handy memory function, it even remembers your favorite setting for next time. Carrying heavy bags just got easier. These durable handles give you a non-slip grip, so you can haul groceries or packages without strain. Strong and sturdy, they handle big loads effortlessly. Perfect for supermarkets, retail, or home use. They make every trip more comfortable. Plus, the colorful space-saving design keeps them handy and fun for daily use. Taking out the trash just got smarter. This self-emptying bin uses built-in drawstring bags, so you never have to wrestle with messy liners. The pull-out design makes it completely hands-free. Just slide and go. Compact yet roomy, it fits perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or even dorms. Clean, convenient, and modern, it keeps chores simple and your space looking neat. Scrubbing tough stains by hand is old news. This electric cleaning brush does the heavy lifting with a powerful rotating action. 5 replaceable heads tackle everything from tiles and tubs to sinks and stovetops. With multiple modes, you can switch between gentle cleaning and deep scrubbing in seconds. Cordless and easy to handle, it turns dreaded chores into quick, satisfying wins. That wasted sliver of space beside your fridge. Now it's storage gold. This super narrow organizer slides right into tight gaps, giving you shelves where you thought none existed. Perfect for spices, condiments, or cleaning supplies in the kitchen, and just as handy in the bathroom or living room. The freestanding design means no installation needed. It's the little cart that makes small spaces feel bigger. Peeling fruits and veggies doesn't have to be a chore. With one simple click, this electric peeler takes over and does it for you. It quickly removes skins while keeping all the good stuff intact, making food prep effortless. The compact design fits neatly on your counter and is easy to store. Durable, sturdy, and modern. It's a tool that makes everyday cooking faster and easier. When your kitchen feels cluttered, this cabinet steps in to bring order. With a clean white wooden finish, it blends into any room, kitchen, dining, or living. The adjustable shelves give you freedom to store tall jars, stacked dishes, or pantry goods. A smooth drawer keeps smaller essentials neatly tucked away. Stylish, sturdy, and practical, it doubles as both storage and a modern display piece. Craving dumplings but not the long prep time? This automatic dumpling maker does the hard work for you. Just place in the dough and filling, and it presses perfect dumplings in seconds. From wontons to empanadas, it handles all kinds of pastries with ease. Fast, simple, and fun. You'll be serving up restaurant-style bites at home without breaking a sweat. Fresh herbs shouldn't wilt before you get the chance to use them. These clever storage containers keep veggies and greens crisp for days. The leak-proof design means you can store them upright in the fridge without worrying about spills. Each one has a flip-top lid, so you can grab what you need quickly while keeping the rest sealed tight. Perfect for cilantro, mint, asparagus, beans, and more.